Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Alec and this is Buster, my Springer Spaniel. We wanted to know, can you go to Scotland without any planning and still get away with it? So this is our wing it trip. This is part one of several parts, to be fair. So if you like it, please subscribe to the channel and look out for more videos in the future. Thanks a lot. Wow, so I'm just near Mallig. I've driven from Fort William towards Mallig and then I've turned on the A681. I'm heading over to this castle and then I've managed to get a Brit Stops. They've got a restaurant, toilets and stuff there, so. And we're just going to do a bit of exploring. The weather's absolutely stunning. It's freezing cold, but it's clear and sunny. So, for winging it, currently, we're not doing too badly. I don't know if you can see that. It looks stunning. I've not planned anything, bar one campsite, which I did as my starting point. So I booked that. That's the only thing I booked, but the rest of it is not booked. So yesterday I stayed at a Brit Stops, which I rang yesterday afternoon. I was there 2 hours later and it was an absolutely wonderful place. Mingarry Park Luxury. I've come down to Teram Castle. I don't know if I've pronounced that right. I don't think I have. Taking a walk over to this castle now, which is like a derelict castle which is cut off by high tide. It's just revealing the pathway across the sand now. So yeah, as I say, so far so good in terms of winging it.